There was a peaceful sound over land and sea. The fallen rest there alone and free. With peace from God, their days now at end. God led them away with a gentle hand. Their blood once flowed under sounds of war. Their names are written to share. And now their silence is even harder to bear. The sounds of the fallen are heard on the fields in the still cold air. A beautiful sound on this war's battleground. When highs became lows for king and country, they fell. In a time when the devil emerged from hell, cast a spell and caused the winds of war to blow, shattered pasts that only they could know. Their blood once flowed under sounds of war. Their names are written to shed. And now their silence is even harder to bear. The sounds of the fallen are heard over fields in the still cold air. A beautiful sound on this war's battleground. Sounds of the fallen tonight. The sounds of the fallen are heard over fields in the still cold air. A beautiful